Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about Amazon advertising and how it works in Seller Central. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to explain what Amazon advertising is and how it works. Amazon advertising is a powerful platform that allows sellers to promote their products directly on Amazon's website and app. It's designed to help you reach more customers, increase sales, and boost your brand visibility. There are several types of ads you can create using Amazon advertising. The main types are sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads. Sponsored products are pay-per-click ads that promote individual product listings. These ads appear in search results and on product detail pages. Sponsored brands, formerly known as headline search ads, are banner ads that feature your brand logo, a custom headline, and multiple products. These ads appear in prominent locations, such as at the top of search results, helping to drive brand awareness and visibility. Sponsored display ads are a bit different. They allow you to target audiences both on and off Amazon. These ads can help you reach customers who are browsing similar products, have viewed your products, or have shown interest in related categories. Setting up an ad campaign on Amazon is straightforward. You start by selecting the type of ad you want to create. Then, you choose the products you want to advertise, set your budget and bids, and define your targeting options. For sponsored products, you can choose between automatic targeting, where Amazon selects keywords for you, or manual targeting, where you choose your own keywords. Once your campaign is live, you can monitor its performance through the Campaign Manager. Here, you'll find metrics like impressions, clicks, and sales, which will help you understand how your ads are performing and where you might need to make adjustments. Amazon advertising can be a game changer for your business, driving more traffic to your listings and increasing your sales. By understanding how it works and utilizing the different ad types effectively, you can make the most of this powerful tool. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.